Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the two stoppers in the glove box. Remove the filter frame by pulling outwards. Clean up any debris in the housing. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1064 filter into the frame with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the frame and then press until it clicks secure. Reinstall the stoppers. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.